Do you want to get Canva Pro for free? Here's a simple tutorial to get Canva Pro for free. Go to Google and search Bingo Dingo. Click the second link. Scroll. And it says to wait for 45 seconds. Now click the download button. Click Get Here. Then click to continue with email. Open a new tab and search temporary email. Click the first link, and it will give you an email address. Copy that address and paste it into your Canva. Write any name. You will receive a code in your temporary mail inbox. Copy the code and paste it here.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Click Got it. Now here's your Canva Pro. Let's see if it works.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
It works pretty well. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more.